Start. I am very happy to take part in the centenary celebrations of your college. I know that your institution has earned for itself a reputation for its high standards and achievements. Among its old students are some who have distinguished themselves in the fields of science, administration, sports, etc. Your college has contributed much to the country's progress. Institutions like yours started in different parts of the country have helped a great deal in spreading Western education. They have helped the country to take all that is good in Western education and also to develop in science and technology. Academically, these institutions have always produced good results. It is due to the habits of discipline and hard work which they seek to promote among the students. Discipline is best promoted not by the fear of punishment but by the examples of those in authority. It is this approach which is responsible for your better performance all these years. I hope and trust you will keep this up in future also. During the past 2 or 3 decades, there has been a large increase in the number of institutions offering higher education. Many facilities have also been created and the main effort now should be to put them to the maximum use possible. There are institutions which have inadequate facilities. Such institutions should be provided with the necessary facilities. Your aim should also be to provide all opportunities to the socially backward students so that they may take advantage of these opportunities and get suitable employment in larger numbers. It is very necessary that the educational programs should be related to the actual demands for executing many development projects and for maintaining the necessary supplies and services in the country. While there may be many reasons for unemployment, the chief of them is that there is no relation between education and employment. This defect in education should be removed as early as possible. We should start vocational courses leading to unemployment after getting certificates or diplomas rather than mere academic degrees. In a competitive world, education has to be related to the imparting of sufficient skill and knowledge for earning something to lead a decent life. Such education should endeavor to promote the scientific habit of mind. An ignorant person is likely to form hasty opinions and hold on to them for a long time. The scientist, on the other hand, is slow to form an opinion and will be willing to change it in course of time if necessary. The 5-year plan envisages that institutions of higher learning would be encouraged and enabled to involve themselves in the development activities of the community. Education, as you know, is a process that never ends. One learns all through one's life. In conclusion, I would like to thank you for inviting me for this pleasant function today. I extend to the students, professors, and others associated with the college my warm greetings and sincerely wish them all success in their endeavors. Letter from the Modern Furniture Mart Madurai to Messrs. Kumar Electricals Rohtak. Dear sirs, we have very great pleasure in acknowledging receipt of your letter of the first instant. We enclose herewith a copy of our catalogue together with the price list. You will see from the papers sent that we have with us almost all the items of furniture that you require for your new shop that you propose to open shortly. We may assure you in this connection that all these items are available in ready stock and we will be able to supply them on the date you desire. We are glad to inform you that we had sent our representatives to Madras and other places to study the types of furniture used in business houses in those places. After getting their report, we had engaged efficient artisans to manufacture special types of furniture. A list of those items is given on the last two pages of our catalogue. We shall be pleased to receive your orders for the items required by you. We would like to draw your attention to the fact that we also offer special discounts for prompt payment and bulk orders. Yours faithfully. Stop.